Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build an organic pool. First, carefully plan your pool's design, considering both its aesthetic appeal and functional requirements. Decide on the perfect size and shape that complements your outdoor space. Ensure the chosen location receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours daily, for optimal plant growth in the regeneration zone. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the foundation for a successful and sustainable organic swimming pool. Next, begin the excavation process, carefully shaping the two distinct zones, the deeper swimming area and the shallower regeneration zone. The swimming area typically needs a depth of at least 5 to 6 feet, while the regeneration zone can be 1 to 2 feet deep. After shaping, lay down a protective underlayment, then meticulously install a high-quality, UV-resistant pond liner. This liner forms the watertight barrier, crucial for containing your natural pool's water. Now focus on the heart of your organic pool, the biological filtration and plant zones. Fill the regeneration area with various sizes of gravel, which acts as a natural filter. Carefully select a diverse range of aquatic plants, such as water lilies, irises, and rushes, known for their water-purifying properties. These plants absorb excess nutrients, preventing algae growth. A small, energy-efficient pump can gently circulate water between the swimming and regeneration zones, enhancing natural purification. Finally, it is time to fill your organic pool with fresh water. Allow several weeks for the ecosystem to naturally establish itself before swimming. Regularly monitor the water quality, ensuring it remains clear and balanced without any chemical additives. Routine maintenance involves skimming leaves, trimming aquatic plants, and occasionally cleaning the regeneration zone. With proper care, your organic pool will provide a beautiful, sustainable, and chemical-free swimming experience for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.